If you're using the structure pane in InDesign to set accessibility tags, I hate to tell you this, but you're going about accessibility all wrong. Give me a few minutes and I'll show you the 3-step process for correctly setting accessibility tags. Now, if you want to make sure you're not making some other common accessibility mistakes, comment below and I'll send you my 7 common InDesign accessibility mistakes guide. If you don't know me yet, hi, I'm Colleen Gratzer, designer, accessibility specialist, and speaker. I teach designers accessibility in plain English without confusion, overwhelm, or sacrificing their designs. And that helps them become more confident designers and increase the value of their work and win more projects. In my videos, I always want you to be able to walk away with something you can apply immediately, even if accessibility feels intimidating, overwhelming, or confusing right now. So here's what I see a lot, even from designers who are so confident that they're going about accessibility correctly. They design these beautiful layouts in InDesign, but they make a mistake that makes the exported PDF an accessibility nightmare. And that mistake is setting tags in the structure pane in InDesign. Tags are indeed the foundation of an accessible document, but the structure pane is not where you set accessibility tags. That's actually for XML tags. If you don't set the tags in the right place in InDesign, they will not come through in the PDF. And if you don't set the correct tags in InDesign, you might spend hours retagging them one by one in the PDF. I mean, who wants to do that? That's not efficient. And you should be getting the majority of the accessibility work done in InDesign, not in Acrobat. But not only that, what happens if the client needs you to make an edit? Well, you have to go back to InDesign and then you have to re-export the PDF. And if you've gone into the PDF and you've changed tags and anything else, then that work all goes to waste. So you end up having to redo everything that you did in the PDF all over again once you re-export a new PDF. If you don't set the correct tag for the type of content, then users of assistive technology, such as blind individuals using a screen reader, they might not be able to understand the document's content. And it might also take them longer to get around the document. And properly tagged content helps them do just that. The good news is that you can take care of this in your InDesign file in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, create paragraph styles. I know you might be cringing right now. I know that most designers hate using paragraph styles, but they're absolutely necessary when creating an accessible PDF from InDesign. And they do make your life a lot easier. You can create a paragraph style by selecting text on the page that you've already styled, and then going to the Paragraph Styles flyout menu and choosing New Paragraph Style. That will take on the styling of that text that you selected. Step 2 is to set export tags on paragraph styles. Now, this is where the magic happens. This is where you're able to set many common PDF tags. You can't set all possible tags here in InDesign, but you can set tags for body text, which is the P tag for paragraph, and then heading levels 1 through 6. You want to be sure to ignore that H tag though. It's not recognized by assistive technology. You can also create your paragraph styles before you style them. It doesn't matter which order you do it. You can also go to the Paragraph Styles palette and choose Edit All Export Tags to modify the export tags in one fell swoop. Just be sure to select PDF and not EPUB and HTML. Now, I like to use this for checking them at the end to double check my work. Otherwise, I like to set the tag as soon as I create the style. Now, step 3 is to export with the correct settings. When you go to File, Export to export a PDF, Adobe PDF Interactive, be sure to check off the option for Create Tagged PDF. Setting export tags on the paragraph styles and then exporting with the correct setting, those are crucial things to do to ensure that the tags come through in the PDF. And the heading tags that you set on the paragraph styles, those are going to help give your document a clear hierarchy. That means that users of screen readers and other assistive technologies will be able to understand the document's content, just as sighted users can understand that based on how the headings look, their size and styling, for example. If you want to make sure you're not making some other common accessibility mistakes that I see, comment below and I'll send you my 7 common InDesign accessibility mistakes guide. You can stop making any of these mistakes today and be well on your way to creating more accessible PDFs from InDesign.